Hey guys, what's up? So today I made putty-like slime with gold glitter that my cousin put in.
You don't go.
It kind of feels like putty. I think I overactivated it a bit too much. Comment down below if you guys like the gold glitter. Okay, now I think that's enough. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell and put on your notifications so you guys know whenever I post a video. And don't forget to like this video. And comment down below what you guys think I should do on my next video. I love you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye.